talking about Haiti is talking about my heart. It's talking about my soul also. It's part of my soul, Haiti. You know, talking about Haiti is talking about the spirit, the loi. Yeah, I love Haiti for all those reasons. When I came back from touring, for example, it's where I feel home, you know, the spirituality, the voodoo, the drums. But the state that we have always try to eliminate the voodoo way of life. Violence brings violence. Fire cannot rid of fire. We need another thing to rid of fire. We not support violence. We support another way to resolve problem. We talk about love. We talk about the truth. We talk about justice. You see, what you're thinking, what you're saying, what you're doing has to be one. Every 5 years in Haiti, we give a president so much power that that person thinks that he's the master of the land. It's his land. You don't know what's happening with your money, your tax. You know, you don't know what's happening. Almost everybody who came to be president, they act in the same way. That mentality of Makut, that mentality of dictatorship, that mentality to impose you things, that mentality to boycott you, to censor you, to prevent you to talk. And we fight against that mentality.
Non, on a passé à soi, on l'a passé. Oh oh. Non, on l'a passé.
That state don't respect our culture. Again, we stand up, Boukman Experience, me, Manze, we stand up and always to make the Asian people see where they are. I think it's not only me, but Europe, everywhere. We know that the politicians, they really mess up the world. That's why I tell. That's why in Haiti, they don't like Boukman. They don't like us. Because we're not part of any political party. We never play for any political party. Because we know that is not the solution. But they don't want the system to be changed. And the system is going to change. Yeah, because the revolution is already on the way. Yeah.
I heard Boukman Experience first time back in '89, and it made a great impression on me. This was a new music which was more connected to voodoo than the normal popular music in Haiti was. There was no other music that was so connected directly with the voodoo side of Haitian life. So when Boukman took the drums into their music, that was a revolution. It was a revolution. It was a political statement in itself.
of children